Hey guys, today I got a really interesting and awesome free synth VST plugin, and I guarantee you haven't heard any synth like this before. This plugin really stand out and I will show you what I meant. So this is Pendulate by New Flanged Audio and it is released by Eventide, okay? So first of all, I'll give you the brief description of this plugin and play you the sounds that comes with it, and then I will show you how to download it and how to install it, okay? So Pendulate is a free synth VST plugin with really unique sound. It sounds so different from any other synth you have heard before, and it is a mono synth, okay? And it comes with really cool inbuilt sound. Let me just play some of it. And this is the default sound, okay? It comes with some old school analog sounds as well as some modern sounds, so it will definitely inspire you. And if you're really bored with the traditional sounding synth, you can definitely check this out. It is worth giving a shot and you can play around. It has got really big presets in here, so let me just play some of them and you can get the idea of how it sounds. You can create your own sound as well if you just tweak some knobs in here, okay? So I'm gonna just play the sounds for now. Maybe this. This sounds so epic. Oh, that's pretty good. Really bassy, I like it. Nice. So yeah guys, you can always go ahead and check the preset for yourself, so and tweak the knobs if you want to just play around and get the sound that you want. So now I'll show you how to actually download it. It's not that tricky, and so let's get started with that part. So guys, like always, I'll put the link below in the description, and it will straightly bring you to this website, Eventide. And if you scroll down a bit, you will find all the details about this plugin, and also you can find the sounds in here. It's on SoundCloud, so if you click on anyone, it will just play. Alright guys, so here you have to put your email address and you have to choose your platform. In my case, I have Windows, and if you have Mac, you can click on here. Again, click on here, and if you want to keep me up to date on news and exclusive offer, just uncheck this. If you want to keep it check, you can check it. What they will do is they will send you an email every time if they have something new or exclusive offer, okay? I will uncheck that, and then I will click on submit, and it will download, okay? Something like this. I've already downloaded, okay? So it's downloading again, and I'm not gonna download that because I've already downloaded. Now installation is really simple. You just install it like any softwares. Just click next, accept their terms, and choose the path, and just install it on your DAW. And then you might wanna have to copy and paste the files and your DLL and stuff depending on the DAW that you are using. That's it for today, guys. I really hope this video helps, and let me know what you think about this plugin. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. I'm out. Please subscribe, like, share.